is NOVASTIM, our innovative foliar biostimulant, manufactured? I invite you to dive into a rigorous, controlled process of a product that acts at the heart of the plant. Everything begins in our research laboratories, where we cultivate a patented strain of Bacillus subtilis. It has been carefully tested and selected from numerous strains for its unique biostimulant properties. In a flask, the bacteria develop under the watchful eye of our researchers. This culture is then transferred to a 20-liter fermenter, a key step to activate bacterial growth on a larger scale. This is where Bacillus subtilis begins to produce the metabolites that will make all the difference in the field. We then move to industrial fermentation in stainless steel tanks of several thousand liters. The environment is rigorously controlled. Everything is calibrated to guarantee optimal and consistent growth, batch after batch. Once fermentation is complete, the mixture is centrifuged. This process separates the bacterial biomass from the supernatant. We only keep the clear supernatant, rich in active metabolites, but without living bacteria, for safe and effective action. This purified supernatant is then enriched with specific co-formulants, carefully selected. Objective: ensure product stability, ease of use and compatibility with existing agricultural practices. The final formulation is then packaged on an automated line in formats of 1, 5, 10, or 20 liters, according to needs. Each bottle is identified, labeled, and prepared for shipment. Throughout the process, rigorous quality controls are performed: microbiological analyses, verification of physicochemical stability, labeling compliance, and batch traceability. Each product placed on the market is compliant, certified, and validated. NOVASTIM is then used in the field as foliar spray after dilution in an appropriate volume of water. It acts at the heart of the plant, stimulating its vitality and strengthening its natural resistance. With NOVASTIM, boost the profitability and conservation of your crops. Discover our solution today.